Bing AI. Launched in 2023 and powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 and GPT-4o, Bing AI, also known as Microsoft Bing Copilot, is Microsoft's all-in-one AI assistant. Unlike standalone chatbots, Bing AI is deeply embedded across the Bing search engine, Microsoft Edge browser, Windows 11, and Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Unlike static models, Bing AI connects directly to the live web, giving users real-time, source-backed answers for search, research, and productivity tasks. It goes beyond text with multimodal features, supporting text, voice, and image inputs, and can even generate images and short videos using built-in DAL-E technology. For professionals, Bing AI acts as a co-pilot in Microsoft 365, rewriting documents, summarizing meeting transcripts, analyzing data in Excel, and designing PowerPoint slides. For creators, it produces visuals and drafts on demand. For everyday users, it's a smarter search experience with visual search, personalized news feeds, and conversational answers that include citations. Cross-platform availability ensures Bing AI is always within reach, on desktop, mobile, or through Edge. By blending search, productivity, and creativity, Bing AI has become Microsoft's flagship tool for AI-powered work and discovery.